Hey friends, welcome to Smartboard Boot Camp. This is part 2, the building lessons section. I've had some questions through my email about what exactly is involved in the Smartboard Boot Camp virtual training. And I wanted to take a minute and just show you a few of the beginning pages that you would go through with me during the training. Understand that when you sign up for the training, you will go through a program called TeamViewer, which will give you a code that we will be able to share with each other on the night of the training. And you will be able to see my screen. I'll share it with you. We will be able to interact with each other using video, chatting, images, and voice. So it's almost like I'm sitting in the living room with you walking through Smartboard Boot Camp. I want to start here at the beginning. One of the basic things that we'll start talking about and working on is going through the toolbars that are across the top of your smartboard, and we'll go through the different pages along the side in the page sorter. I will help you work with the pages about how to add pages, how to move pages, and even how to remove them. We'll talk about objects in the gallery, how you can get objects from the gallery into your lessons, how you can search items, and how you add items from the gallery. We will also talk about some of my favorite tools like the Magic Pen. We'll talk about how it can zoom in and also create a spotlight for you. We will talk about using the Properties tab and how you can change the properties on several of your pens and your different objects in your notebook file. You can change the colors in the background, so we'll talk about those different things. Moving and modifying objects, we'll talk about using the handles. We also will talk about using the erasers, also about the buttons across the top and some of the axle lines that you can draw. I'll show you how to create T-charts. We'll talk about the typed text, the font toolbar, and the symbols. We'll talk about creating tables, inserting images into Smart Notebook from files that you already have, how to capture images that you can then use to create and build lessons. We'll talk about manipulating objects, locking them, grouping them, and cloning them. We'll learn how to use the magnifying glass and also how to create one of our own. Throughout the Smartboard Bootcamp, I also will show you different slides that I use in my classroom that are actually linked to lessons that are on my computer so that you can see how I use them to interact with my class on a daily basis. I will show you the PowerPoint that I use at Meet the Teacher Night and many other slides that you'll see as I go through. You also will be able to see the page where I have set up a template for my whole day, and each page is then linked to the lesson. There's the science, social studies, math, phonics, all of which I can access during the day and I don't have to go fumbling around for different links. You'll be able to see my calendar and how it is interactive for my classroom, and many, many more wonderful things. This lesson, Smartboard Bootcamp, will be tailored to your needs. So I'm really excited about this, and I hope that you'll take a chance and try to visit the Schrader page and find out more. Bye now.